Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing video. I already opened this box. I actually gave 2 of the products away to my mom because I know I wasn't going to use them. So I will not be trying those out for you today. Actually, to be honest with you, I wouldn't have tried them on anyways because it was an under eye mask and a cuticle oil. So that's not something that I would normally put on camera. But I'll tell you guys the details on them. So the under eye mask was from Wonder Beauty, and it was $13. And it says, oh, by the way, the theme of this month's box is Life of the Party. And then the cuticle oil is from NCLA, and it's the So Rich Lollipop. That's the weirdest name in the world. But it was $18. So those are the 2 items that I will not be trying on today. And I'm going to start off with this primer from Becca. I'm actually really excited to have this in the box because I haven't tried anything from Becca before. It says $15 to $18, and it says prep and prime your skin with your new Becca primer. It creates a perfectly smooth canvas for your foundation. 100% party approved, which is wonderful because I don't party. So when I apply it, looks like that. Don't look at the bottom of my nails, please. It looks like that. It's like a creamy consistency, but then when you rub it in, it's like watery, but then it dries super quick. For foundation, I'm actually gonna try this foundation from BH Cosmetics. It's their Naturally Flawless foundation. I got this a few weeks ago and I haven't given it a try yet, so wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so like moussey. Wow. I seem to be really loving this foundation. I don't know if it's the primer that I put under it or if the foundation's really that great. So I'm gonna try it without that primer as well, but off of first impressions, I really like the finish of this foundation. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like such a smooth finish. I'm actually gonna apply just a little bit of concealer. Okay, and then the next item in the box is this palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles. So I recorded this video before the whole Twitter drama broke out, so yeah, she's canceled. She is a YouTuber, and this is her Party Animal palette. It honestly has really pretty shades. This is just something that you can't wear every day, unless you want to, that's fine. It does come with a mirror as well, and this retails for $19, which is really not bad at all. The next item in the box is this, let's see, gel eyeliner. This is from Bang Beauty. This retails for $22 and looks like this. I've actually already swatched it, and I think what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna use it as a base because I want to use, well, I'll show you why I'm doing it this way. By the way, I've already done my, yeah, that's what I thought. I've already done my, the rest of my face. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to use this as a base, one is because, I don't know if you guys can see, but to be an eyeliner, I feel like this is just way too light. So what I'm gonna do is use it as a base because I'm gonna use a blue eyeshadow on top of it. What I'm gonna do today is go into this dark blue shade here and put that on top of that brown that we just put on. Then I'm going to take this fluffy brush and go into this orange shade here called Drinks. This one was called Karaoke. And I'm going to use this to blend out that blue. It's really weird. It's like, it's blending away. I'm going to show you guys. It's blending away. I don't know if that's because of the base that I put on, but it seems like the color is really just blending away. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on some mascara and I'll be right back. We'll do the lips. Okay, and then the last item in the box is this liquid lipstick from Smashbox. This is a metallic liquid lipstick, and I've never owned one. Let's see how this works. That is interesting. Okay, so that is quite an interesting lip. I've never worn anything like this. It's a little bit out there for me, but I actually do like it, to be honest with you guys. Maybe not with this eye look, because this is all very intense. So that is it for this month's box. The eyeshadow palette I'm a little confused about, and I don't know if that's because of my application where I put it over that gel eyeliner, but I feel like the blue definitely is popping, but it's cracking on my eyelid. The chocolate eyeliner itself is too light for me. That's why I used it as a base. Like, you can't see that on my skin. So it's a little bit of a bummer, but to be honest, I never really use brown eyeliner anyways. I always go for black. The liquid lipstick I actually really like, so I can't wait to use that again with a more neutral eye. So as far as the primer, I can't judge it just yet because I did use a foundation that was also new to me. So I don't know if the foundation looks as it does because the foundation itself is that great, or if it's the primer. Could be a combination of both because I know that Becca is a good brand. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that is it. I will see you guys later. Bye. Is life of the party. So the light just... That's been happening a lot lately. That's weird. So I have no idea. I don't have any foundations, right? Oh my gosh. So I thought that this was like a pump or something, and it's actually this thing. It's kind of weird because like, oh, okay.